Here is Dongguan, a vibrant and innovative city and the birthplace of CoolCox. Since 2008, we have been dedicated to the research and production of products such as axial fans, blowers, coolers, motors, and more, injecting vitality into various industries such as computers, communication equipment, smart homes, 3D printers, projectors, and new energy sectors. Our goal is to become a leading brand manufacturer in the field of cooling in China and even globally. We have gathered an outstanding team of high-tech research and development with excellent independent R&D capabilities. With profound expertise and keen insight, we continuously promote technological progress and product upgrades. Excellent R&D capabilities, precise experimental equipment, and professional testing ensure stable and reliable performance from design to mass production. With efficient intelligent manufacturing as the core and combined with refined process management, we are constructing a comprehensive and intelligent production pattern. The electronic workshop is equipped with 4 high-speed SMT lines, advanced AOI inspection equipment, to ensure the quality of each production process is strictly controlled, and automatic winding machines, automatic welding machines, and automatic soldering machines, optimizing production quality and promoting intelligent manufacturing. Dozens of balancing machines precisely repair the impeller balance to ensure low vibration, low noise, and long lifetime. The finished product assembly is carried out on advanced automatic production lines, empowering lean production and comprehensively improving efficiency. We are also focusing on building a comprehensive quality control system across the entire value chain, with multiple quality control stations focusing on key processes, ensuring strict quality management in every aspect of production. Our company fully implements ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Quality Management System, and KIOC 080000 Hazardous Substance Process Management System, and has obtained multiple patents. Our mission is sustainable, and our original intention remains unchanged. From humble beginnings to now exporting products globally, CoolCox has gone through an extraordinary journey. We will always adhere to innovation-driven principles, providing more comprehensive and efficient cooling solutions to achieve value growth for customers and become a leader in the field of electronic technology.